Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all doing well. So in this video, we'll explore Samsung's Galaxy Z trifold as it finally nears its official unveiling. We know that Samsung has been working on the first ever trifold for a while now. In the meantime, Huawei has released the world's first ever production trifold device, the Mate X-T, and has since followed up with the release of the second generation, the Mate X-TS. And now, Samsung is finally ready to release its first ever trifold. After many months of rumors and leak of UI elements revealing how the device will work, today we finally managed to see the actual leak images of the physical device. So let's review the information we have so far. So there hasn't been any hands-on. The device is kept in a transparent display unit. From the photo we can see the device in its folded and unfolded form, and it looks stunning. Looking at the hinge in this image, we can see how thin the device is considering it's housing 3 panels. Importantly, there is a significant difference between the Huawei trifold and this phone in the way it folds. So the Huawei device has an outer folding design which folds like a Z. It allows for 3 separate form factors, but it has a massive potential downside that it will always have an exposed screen, bringing into the question of durability, whereas Samsung uses inner folding mechanism, ensuring the screens are always protected, giving peace of mind for a very expensive device. So guys, as you saw earlier, the Huawei Mate X-T trifold, which is somewhat very different from the Samsung trifold. The Huawei Mate X-T trifold folds outwards and then it has an exposed hinge area with the screen. With the Samsung, you have the trifold folding inward. So here's the Fold 7. I've just done a mock-up to show you. So the Fold 7, you have exactly the same paneling. And then I've just added an extra panel to show. The first panel folds inward. There's no screen here, only inside. You got a hinge here. Then the second panel folds like this. And then you have the front screen here, hinge there, and another hinge here. And you have the back here with the camera module. With the Huawei Mate X-T, you can use it as double screen like the Z Fold 7, or you can open the third screen and use it as a tablet. With the Samsung trifold, it seems like you have to open all 3 panels in order to use it as a tablet. So looking at this here, I was very pleased to see from this leak is that it seems like this device will have DeX built in, just like the Samsung tablets. If accurate, it will be an amazing feature to have, almost giving it the ability to use it like a PC. Moving on, design and display. At the heart of the trifold is a double hinge mechanism, allowing the phone to transform from a 6.5-inch compact handset into a 10-inch fully fledged tablet. It features 3 connected panels, each seamlessly integrated to deliver an expansive viewing experience. When fully unfolded, users can enjoy a massive display that rivals premium tablets, perfect for multitasking, gaming, or immersive media. Moving on to performance and build. Under the hood, the trifold is rumored to pack a top-tier chipset likely to be Snapdragon Elite 8 Gen series, paired with 16 GB of RAM for powerhouse performance. The frame looks premium build and likely to mirror the Z Fold 7 for added durability without compromising the weight. As you can see from these technical drawings, it is showing that the device will house 3 batteries, 1 in each panel of the device. That's 3 batteries intelligently distributed to optimize power and balance. So combined, I'm hoping it will be over 5000 mAh capacity to drive that huge screen. So guys, just want to quickly mention, if you are enjoying this video, please do give it a like, and a subscription would be very much appreciated. It will help grow the channel and motivate us to create more content like this. Thank you so much. Let's move on to camera and features. With the main sensor being a large 200 megapixel, we can see now that the camera module seems near enough identical to Z Fold 7. I hope that, along with the 5 times optical telephoto lens delivering up to 100 times zoom, which is the best camera Samsung has to offer. Also, closely looking at these drawings, we can see that there are 3 speakers two at the bottom and one along the top. So this would deliver a decent audio experience. Moving on to availability and launch. So this device is expected to be formally unveiled by Samsung on the 31st of October during its APAC summit. It's likely to go on sale within the next month or so, but going by rumors, it seems highly unlikely that the device will have a mass market availability, with its initial release limited to South Korea, China, possibly UAE, with the production run of 50 to 200,000 units. Reason being, Samsung wants to gauge the demand before rolling out to Western markets. Price-wise, clearly it's not going to be a device for everyone due to its experimental nature and almost certainly the huge price tag, which is likely to be around $3,000 price mark. And if you're wondering how it compares with the Huawei Mate X-T prices, check out our hands-on with the Huawei Mate X-T, links up here. So guys, there you have it. We now have to wait until Samsung takes their apps off. What do you guys think of the Samsung trifold? Are you excited? How do you think it will compare with the Huawei's trifold? Do you think the lack of S Pen support is a huge missed opportunity on the device that turns into a 10-inch tablet? I'm very interested to hear what are your expectations of the Samsung trifold. Personally, I would love to get hold of one for myself. So that's all for today, guys. If you have watched the video this far, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. This will help us grow the channel and give us the opportunity to continue creating content that you enjoy. We very much appreciate your support. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.